Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Ohio pick four players. Ohio pick four players. I'm about to make a pattern off of the last two pick four drawings. The reason I want to break this number down, will break these numbers down, is because within the last two Ohio pick four draws, we've had digits that I'm vocal about, as far as not having a value. So basically, within the last two pick four drawings in Ohio, we've had a total of three zeros. We had a total of three zeros. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make two patterns. Well, I'm gonna make more than two. I'm gonna make three patterns. That's going to get us through the first week of November, off in Ohio. And like I said, it's off of the last two pick four drawings. Excuse me if I'm sniffing a lot, y'all. My allergies acting up. First off, starting with evening. Evening, Ohio was 0866. Like I said, we got a total of three zeros used. So it's mandatory for me to tell you what a zero brings or can equal. First off, if I mirror a zero, I add 5 to it. I add or subtract 5. The same way if I do 5 plus 5, giving me 10. 5 equals 0. 0 also flips to a 3. So basically, when you see a 0, a 5 or a 3 can follow. Evening draw 0866. A 0 came. So a 5 or a 3 should follow. A 5 came. Breaking down the 0, and I'm breaking down the 5. Because 0 and 5 is like saying 1 and 0. So a 5 mirrors a 0, the same way a 0 mirrors a 5. So let's flip. A 5, flip numbers 3, add or subtract 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. A 5 can bring you a 2. If I keep flipping backwards, I get a 9. So midday, Ohio got 0057. So off of 0057, I need to be looking for one of these digits next. Okay. Like I always say, if I give you a $0 bill, what am I giving you? What can you go spend? What can you go buy if I give you a dollar bill with a zero in it? Well, you can't really go buy or get anything because zero doesn't have a value. Zero is a fill in, a lottery fill in, okay? Because zero is the same as saying 10, but they don't say 10 all at once, okay? That's why a zero mirrors a 5, because 10, if I put a 1 right there, that's finishing 10, which is 5 plus 5, okay? So off the last two draws, we're going to work our way down. Evening, midday. 08660057. First off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cancel out them zeros, because if I give you a $0 bill, or if you give me a $0 bill, it ain't too much I can do with it. So I'm gonna cancel them out. So now basically what I did was, now I'm working off this number and I'm working off this number. So off of 0866 and 0057, I'm simplifying and being left with 866 and 57. Let's see what part of math that they were doing with that. 6 plus 6 equals 12, which is what 5 plus 7 equals. So they hit 12. They hit 12. 6 and 6 equals 12. 5 and 7 is 13. No, 5 and 7 is 12. 6 and 7 is 13. So they hit 12. 12, 12. The 8 right here with the 0. Remember how I told you 0 mirrors a 5 or flips to a 3? If I flipped to a 3 right here, that's where the 5 came from. Okay? So 0866 0057. 6 plus 6 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. 8 plus 6 is 14. So they hit 12 and they hit 14. So if I'm counting, my zeros is 10. So I hit 12 and I hit 14. I'm missing 11, 13, 10. And based on us hitting 12 twice, I need to touch back on that 12. But I need to use that 12 in with these. So I hit 12 and 14. I need 10, 11, and 13. I need 10, 11, and I need 13. The way to break these down into pairs, 10, 11, 13. I guess I can throw 12 back on there since I said I gotta hit it. So let's throw 12 back on there. Okay. Now I gotta see where my money gonna come from. Now I'm gonna see where my money gonna come from. That's for starters. 10, 11, 13, 12. My most recent is 12 because I got 2 zeros, so I'm working off the 5 and the 7. So I need 12. I need to touch on that pair. I need 12. I need to touch on that pair. That's taking care of the 12. Now my 13. Take the vice back. My 13. My 13 is gonna start off the same way. So I got my 12. I got my 13 taken care of. My 11. My 11. That's saying 11 and 10. So bringing it to 11 will be like so. I'm gonna break my 11 down to some sums. 11. Two ones, ones flip to fours. Fours mirror to nines. Oops. I already got that on here. 119. So 119 is 114, which is 1440. My 10. My 10. My 10. My 10. My 10. 10, 11. 10. That's why I'm going on my 10. So we at 12. We at 12. I need two bonus numbers since we at 12. 12, 13, 12, 12, 13, 12. So off the 0866, breaking that down to 866, 6 plus 6 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. 6, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay? 12, 12, 13, 12, 12, 11, 10. So you rocking with A, B, C, or D. Bonus right here at the bottom. This is for Ohio. A 7. 7 minus 5, mirror, is 2. 7 is equivalent to 2. 7 plus 3 is 10. Flip. 7 is equivalent to 0. This is good for Ohio from the 2nd through the 7th. A, B, C, or D. Look for your hit to come out one of these boxes, if not the bonus right here at the bottom right. Okay? So that's all I got for you right now. We'll talk about it later. C. Jones Lotto Licks. Ohio pick 4. A, B, C, or D.